Today I'm going to show you how to do a screen recording so that you can upload your GarageBand assignment. So first we need to make sure that your iPad is set up for screen recording. So go to Settings. Underneath General, we're going to go to Control Center, then Customize Control. Up here is where we want to be able to see video recording. So I'm going to go down to, screen recording. Hit the plus sign. And now it's up here and we're set up for success. Go to GarageBand next. I'm going to hit the track that I want recorded. Notice it's not at the beginning because I was listening to it or working on it. So I want to make sure that I hit this button here, and now it's at the beginning. It's at the 1. To record, I'm going to go up to the 80%, pull down, and here's now the recording button. If I hold on to it, I can see all the different options that I have, including microphone. So if I wanted to talk while I'm listening to my recording, or if I needed to explain something, then I could do that, but I don't want to do that. So I'm going to hit off, or make sure that it's off, which it is. And now I can just hit record. And it's going to show up here when it's recording. I think I just closed it instead of hit record. So let's try that again. There, 3, 2, 1, there. And I'm going to hit play. I want to make sure that I can see the parts that are playing. And I will need to move this along. And as this percussion starts, I want to show you that it's there. So I'm going to just move that up. And now I just want to see all these different parts. And then I'm going to go up here and hit stop. Because if I hit, if the needle goes all the way to the end, it'll start over again. And then I can hit this to stop. Stop recording. Yeah, I'm going to stop. And now it's telling me that I can find it in videos or photos. So if I go to photos, now here it is. And I can press play. And I can hear it and see it. You can see where I moved it around so I can see the different tracks. And that is how you do it. From there, you should be able to upload this as your assignment.